friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to my new subscribers. Welcome. I'm Dripcess and I upload fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content. Today I'm going to be showing you my tote bag collection, but I'm going to be showing you like the square looking ones. I'm not going to be showing you like the big ones because I do have big tote bags, like the big jumbo tote bags. So before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on that bell, share this video to 20 friends, and also follow me on social medias too, and add some period. Now let's just get into this video. What I have is like this pink tote bag. As you can see, it's from Pink. It's just this regular pink tote bag. Then I have this tote bag. This one is from Pink too. It's a tie-dye blue and white kind of. It's giving me denim vibes, but it's not denim. It's just blue and white. I never wore this tote bag, but it's just like a army green tote bag. As you can see, it's from Pink. I never wore this one yet, but I can't wait to style an outfit with this. Next tote bag is this red one. A regular red tote bag. As you can see, it's from Pink. Of course, this black and white one. This black and white one has a lot of length, but don't worry about that. I take it off if I'm ever wearing an outfit with this. But yeah, so it's just this regular black and white tote bag. It's from Pink, as you can see. And I have this denim tote bag. You saw this in like my most recent video. As I said in that video, I got this from Forever 21. It's very cute. It's like $14. Yeah, but it was a denim tote bag, so I'm like, where can you find a denim tote bag for the low? Maybe you can, but I don't know. So I just got this one. Then we got like this tote bag, a regular black and white tote bag. You know, it's nothing really, you know, different, but it's just a regular black and white tote bag. And I got this from Forever 21 too. This was $3.
I want to talk to you.
And this is like my first ever tote bag, kinda. Then I just got this tote bag. It's just a pink tote bag. As you can see, it's from Pink too. So yeah, I only wore this like, I don't even know how many times I wore this. But yeah. And you most likely saw this in my recent video too. It's just this reflective tote bag.
I want to talk to you.
Then I got this tote bag. As you can see, it says looking sharp. This was $3 too, and I got this from Forever 21. It's very cute. And I only wore this like 2 times. I really wear this tote bag when I'm wearing my Crocs. This tote bag, I got this tote bag from Five Below. You probably saw this in my Five Below shopping haul. But yeah, so I got this from Five Below and it was only $3. I didn't wear this yet, but I'm gonna wear it soon when it be a little more hotter and I'm going somewhere that's chill, maybe like to the mall or something. I'll wear this. But I haven't been going to the mall recently. Another one of my first ever tote bags. This is literally like the cutest tote bag. The cutest. Like, look at this. It's very, very cute. I want more tote bags like this. Like, literally like this. As you can see, the little panda tail.
Not later. No, now.
It's so cute. I love this so much. But yeah, I got this from Forever 21 too. It was only $3. Showed y'all this in my Forever 21 spring try-on clothing haul. I got this from Forever 21 and I don't even know how much it costs, but the regular price is $14.90, but that's not what I paid at all. But yeah, it's very, very cute and it's very soft. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn that bell, share this video to one of your friends, and also follow me on social medias too. And these are just like my tiny type of tote bags. I do have big tote bags, but I really don't be wearing them as how I wear my tiny ones. But yeah, So like I said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on that bell, share this video to one of your friends, and also follow me on my social medias too. See you in the next YouTube video.
It's so high. She's such a beautiful. Whenever too much.